Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to update and install drivers on this laptop. So to install all the initial updates for your laptop, you have to go to the Start menu and go to Settings. By initial I meant, of course, Essentials. So now scroll all the way down this list, select Windows Update. Then check for updates by clicking this button, and if you have any updates to install, then wait until they are downloaded and installed. And sometimes, probably if you didn't update anything on your laptop, you're gonna have to restart your PC afterwards. But anyway, you're gonna be notified about it now right here, and also you'll get a pop-up notification on your screen. To specifically update drivers, you have to go to Advanced Options, then find optional updates, and here will be the section with drivers updates. And what you're gonna have to do is select the drivers that you want to update, hit the checkbox next to them and click download and install, and they will be downloaded and installed. As you can see, for me, I am up to date with the essentials. So now let's check the specific updates for this PC, and for that we're gonna need an application called ACER Control Center. Open your web browser, and what you're gonna need to do is search for the ACER drivers. And by the way, on this website you can also download ACER drivers manually, but I think it's much easier when you can do it automatically. So go to the official acer.com website that says download ACER support drivers and manuals, and here you're gonna have to enter your either serial number or SNID, and to find it you have to close the lid of your laptop and check the back cover of it. Let me quickly show you. Right here you can find both serial number and SNID, so either write one of these down or take a picture of it on your PC and then get back to the website. Now on this website, enter your either serial number or SNID. I'm gonna use SNID since it's much shorter and easier to enter. Okay, now press enter. Okay, I think I misspelled something. Okay, and once you enter the support page for your laptop, scroll all the way down the list until you see the application section, expand that, and here you'll find your ACER Control Center. Just click download next to it and wait until the zip file is downloaded. Now once it is, let's open it and let's grab this folder inside it. Use Ctrl+C to copy it, then go to your downloads and press Ctrl+V to paste this folder right here. Then open this folder and run the setup file. You can close your browser at this point. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me close the Google Chrome. So stubborn. Okay. So run the setup file. Click yes. Then accept the terms in the license agreement. Of course, read it before you do that. Then click install. Wait until the application is installed. Then click finish, and then open the start menu. Go to all applications, and as you can see, for now, the control center takes some time to appear here, but eventually it will. So don't worry. Now open it by clicking on it. Okay, and right now all we have to do here in this application is click update, then click check now, and if this application finds any updates for your system, you of course will get them and will be able to download them and install them automatically. But let's get back to the website where we've been before, so just give me a moment. So here, as I mentioned before but forgot to show you, you got all the drivers for your laptop. So if you want to download them or update them, install or update them, just select the driver that you need. For example, let's select this 4G driver, download it by clicking download. You will get the zip file. Just like before, extract this folder by using Ctrl+C from this zip file, then open it, and then if you want to set it up, click setup driver, run this setup driver application, click run again, yes, okay, and wait until it's installed. And that's it. That's right now we have the updated 4G driver. So that's how you can manually update drivers on this web page. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.